So the burger, we got like some kind of healthy bread over here. Oh my God. Hee 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 hee. It's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another mukbang. Today you're watching another episode of Munching Mondays, which is my mukbang series. Mukbang is an eating show, so we're gonna be eating together and we're gonna chat. So if that is your thing, then don't forget to subscribe and also thumbs up this video. So today, you guys, I'm really excited because we're doing another taste test slash mukbang. And as you can see by the title, we're trying out the brand new A&W Canada's Jalapeno Lime Beyond Meat burger, okay? And when I heard that this burger is fully vegan, just on its own, fully plant-based, I was like, girl, I need to try this. So I'm late on this because I think they released the burger, like, it's probably been a month or so. And yeah, here I am finally trying it. It's limited edition, so I don't know how long it's gonna be around. I wish it wouldn't be limited edition because it's so nice to have a burger that you can just order without like making any changes. Like I love the A&W Beyond Meat burger, but you have to get it without mayo, which is fine, but like it would be nice to just be able to order it and be like, can I just get that? There's not much more to say. That's it. Okay. Anyway, either way, I'm gonna try this. I'm so excited. I also got a Diet Coke and some fries, of course. Let's have a fry. Let's have a fry. I have some ketchup. Let's get that ready. I often like to like dip my burger in ketchup. Got a little napkin. Okay, so the burger, initial thought, it looks very similar to just the regular Beyond Meat burger. This lettuce is not, there we go. So my initial reaction is that this burger looks very similar to the Beyond Meat burger, but it looks a little more hearty. Like the bread is different. We got like some kind of healthy bread over here. Okay, it got some grains on it, you know? Yeah, what I like about it is that the mayo they use, like the jalapeno lime or whatever, is plant-based. So that's exciting. So that we've got lettuce, we got tomato, we've got the Beyond Meat, we've got maybe more of that mayo and some onion, okay? So I'm just gonna cut it in half so you guys can see. All right, so looks like that. So we got lettuce, tomato, onion, some of the jalapeno lime mayo, of course the Beyond Meat patty. All right, guys, let's just give it a go. It's probably gonna be a short mukbang. Okay, you know how fast I eat. I need to eat slower. I keep telling myself this. Okay, cheers. First bite. Okay, it definitely has a kick. It's not like super, you know, super spicy. I'm not getting too much of the lime, maybe slightly. It's good. I like the bun. It's a lot more like it seems more hearty than like the regular Beyond Meat burger. Yeah, I'm definitely getting a little bit of that spice. Not too overwhelming, but if you can't really do spice, then maybe that's not for you. Yeah, not getting too much of the lime, but I'm not sure. Let me keep going. But fries. I love fries. Oh my gosh. Little sip of the Diet Coke. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? All right, so, this burger's falling apart. Okay, so I'm gonna have a bite with some ketchup. I love ketchup. I love ketchup with burgers, okay? That's my one complaint about this burger. There's no ketchup, but you can always add it, so. Overall thoughts, it is delicious because, you know, Beyond Burger is so good and it's really nice to have that plant-based mayo. I wish they would actually put real jalapenos in there, like, you know, just like the pickled jalapenos. That would be really good. Like have like a lime mayo with like pickled jalapenos. Alright, this is good. I kind of want to try the mayo. I wonder if they sell that mayo as a side, like as like a dip. That would be nice to have it with like fries. Guys. You see the new setup? I got a nice couch in my, got a nice couch in my guest bedroom. This is gonna be my guest bedroom slash office slash studio. Yes, and it's no longer, I mean, it still kind of is the disaster room, but I'm just a disaster, so I finally kind of cleaned it, so I'm actually using it as an office slash studio, all that stuff. I got this couch, okay? This couch is a pull-out couch. So, if any of y'all want to come over, you have a place to sleep, okay? I'm kidding, don't be coming over, okay? Unless I know you. Is it just me, or like, is one burger not enough? I don't know. I feel like this isn't that different from like the original Beyond Burger. It's kind of similar. It's just like a little bit spicier, you know? Ooh. I grabbed some vinegar. And then you know what I realized the other day? Oh my gosh. I can't believe I didn't know this. I didn't know that Burger King Canada also has the Impossible Whopper. Did you guys know this? Is it just me, or did they not do any like marketing? Because I'm like, girl, if you give me an Impossible Whopper, I will eat it. I don't know. Maybe I missed it because I'm a terrible vegan influencer. But yeah, because I thought vinegar on fries, so good. I thought the Burger King Whopper, they only have the Impossible Patty in the US. But the other day I was like walking by Burger King. Maybe because I never walk by Burger Kings. Like I feel like they're not as common. I don't know why though. But anyway, I was walking by Burger King and I was like, oh my God, they have a sign for the Impossible Whopper in Canada. Because I have had that Impossible Whopper in the States. I think when it first kind of came out a couple years ago. But I haven't had it since. So I was quite excited about it. Do you guys want a taste test? I'll just do like burger taste tests all day. Next half. See, I feel like burgers are not enough. I don't know. Maybe I just eat too much. All right. Anyway, so the Whopper. What's funny is, when I first tried the Beyond Meat patty, I actually thought to myself, that tastes like a Whopper. Because I was never a big like Big Mac person before I went vegan. I was like a big Whopper girl. Okay, I was all about the Whopper. Okay, I don't know, the Whopper was really good, you know? It was a good burger. So, in my lifetime, I probably had maybe 2 Big Macs in my lifetime, like actual Big Macs. But I've had, I don't know, however many Whoppers, like lots, okay? Because Whoppers are just better. So, when I first tried the Beyond Meat burger, which was at Veggie Grill in California, I was like, this actually tastes kind of like a Whopper. So I was kind of hoping that they would make a Whopper with the Beyond Meat patty. but Impossible got in there first. I do think it was good. Like when I tried it, of course I enjoyed it, you know, but I still can't shake the feeling that the Beyond Meat burger tastes more like a Whopper than an Impossible burger. I don't know. Anyone else? Anyone else understand what I'm saying? I don't know. Anyway, either way, exciting. I'm happy. I wonder why there aren't as many Burger Kings in Canada. I feel like in the US there's a lot of Burger Kings. Am I wrong? There's a lot more A&Ws here than Burger King. I don't know why, but I just randomly got the urge to rewatch that film about how McDonald's got founded. Have you guys seen it? I think it's called The Founder. With the guy from Batman, the original Batman. What's his name? Michael Keaton? Is that his name? Or is that a totally different person? Anyway, let me Google it for you. Why do I question these things? I'm right on all facts. The movie is called The Founder, and the Batman dude is called Michael Keaton. He was Batman, right? Yes, he was Batman. Anyway, he plays like the McDonald's original. No, he wasn't the original, okay? If you guys haven't seen the movie, you should watch it. It's kind of sad though. Anyway. Of course I need more ketchup. What the hell is wrong with me? Anyway, the movie is basically like the story of like how McDonald's became like a thing. And I guess McDonald's started with like two brothers that started this like one little diner. They started it, and then this guy that Michael Keaton is playing went in and basically was like, let me make it into like a huge business. And then he kind of like took the whole thing, and I don't know. It's kind of messed up. Oh, fries. Why are they so good? Okay, I'm gonna get more ketchup because this is ridiculous. All right, so my problem is I always get like a healthier ketchup and it never tastes as good as like the, well, like it tastes fine when I eat it, but then when I eat it right after I have like fast food ketchup, it's like not as good. It's like low sodium ketchup. Yeah, it is weird. Like normally when I eat it, like this ketchup, low sodium. Normally when I eat that, it's fine, like I like it. But when I eat it right after I have fast food ketchup, I'm like, it's not as delicious. Anyways, what was I saying? I don't know. God, do you guys remember? For those Canadians out there, I feel like the A&W Beyond Burger was like life-changing because I feel like that was like the catalyst for a lot of other, you know, big chains offering more fast food options. Because before that, I was like, I can't go to any fast food place, you know? Like going to A&W to get the Beyond Burger, I was like, oh my God, I haven't purchased a fast food item in so long. I kind of wish I had the other Beyond Burger to compare, because maybe if I compare it, it tastes completely different. Anyway, that was delicious. Anyways, I also heard that in London, or was it in London? It was definitely in the UK. there's like one Burger King location that is doing some sort of like fully plant-based menu for like a limited time. Can we stop the limited time nonsense? Can we just do it all the time? Especially in the UK, I feel like there's a lot of vegans there now. I swear I lived there in the wrong era, okay? After I left, it was like, woohoo, everything is vegan. Anyway, I really want to visit this summer. That'll be so exciting. Hee 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 hee. Okay, I mean, I could eat another burger, but then I think I would be too stuffed. But at the same time, I don't know. Are burgers too small? Do I just eat too much? I don't know. Anyway, oh my gosh. So that was my Burger King jalapeno lime Beyond Burger taste test. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, go get one. It's really good. Show the demand. Okay, we gotta show that us the vegans, we will spend money on this stuff. Okay. I think my combo was like 12 something. So I got the drink, the fries, and the burger, 12 something. I feel like that's like normal nowadays. Do you guys remember when like burger combos were like $7? I know. What a crazy time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.